Welcome to another Slow Stoked product review. This time we're checking out Arsenal Trucks, a new precision truck company out of Central California. Our set was 182 millimeters on 45-degree base plates. We won't bore you with every technical feature these trucks boast, but we'll touch on the unique ones. If you want all the specifics, you should check out their website at arsenaltrucks.com. To start off, Arsenals are very nice looking. The cutouts are not only sleek, but they also lighten the trucks considerably. Adding to the look of these trucks are the nickel-plated axles and pivot. This helps with corrosion, plus it has a real nice shine to it. They come outfitted with Riptide urethane, and it's also worth mentioning that Brad at Riptide was involved in the design process. As you may have guessed, they fit Riptides perfectly, specifically chubbies if you're into that shape. The hangers are raked 3 degrees and can be flipped to alter the responsiveness. Base plates have a 12-hole design, so you can make micro adjustments to your wheelbase if you so choose. Shit, dude. So how do they feel? Well, they use tall bushings, which makes them turn very nicely while still maintaining stability at higher downhill speeds. Our testers mainly like free-riding Arsenals, but that doesn't mean they aren't extremely capable downhill trucks. When up at speed, they respond quickly without feeling twitchy. The key word here would be surfy in our testers' words. Another thing we enjoyed was how consistent they felt across different surfaces. Even on rougher asphalts, they didn't pick up much vibration. If we had to compare them to another set of trucks, it would have to be K3s, and with a $320 price tag, they are a bit more attainable to the average skater. Now for our one knock. It may have just been our set, but the inner bearing would get jammed on the axle and be very difficult to remove. It's not a huge hindrance, but something we wanted to mention. Overall, we definitely recommend Arsenal trucks to any skater looking to downhill or free ride with the best of them.